It is 5:48. Oh my gosh, I need to get ready. I am ready, but like pack up better. It's crazy. I'm going on this tour. I am meeting everybody. We're supposed to meet at 6, so I need to like get things together right now. I was busy talking to people back home because it's around only 12 a.m. in Toronto, 11 p.m. in Winnipeg, so people are still awake back home. I am just packing up now. How do I have no more room in my luggage? Like, I don't know how it's full. How is my luggage full? What'd I do? What did I do? Oh, the luggage is terrible. I'm gonna quickly eat the last one here. Cafe de Nata. I am going to eat the apple cinnamon now, since we're not gonna have breakfast, and I'm already hungry. This one's good. There's apple chunks in there. You can see like the apple glaze? No. Apple syrup. Would this survive on a plane? I don't think it will. Oh, good. Okay. See you in a bit.
Of the cliffs as well. It's a calcium carbonate, but they do paint it every 7 years or so just to keep it quite bright. But the black in it is the flint that's made up in it naturally as well. The White Cliffs of Dover are synonymous with the war previous to flying being so achievable. Oh my god.
I am on a ship right now. I made it to the tour group with Contiki. Everybody seems really nice. Just been getting to know everybody, but just sitting here by myself right now. I am in Amsterdam. We are now making our way to dinner, and we're in a rush because we were a bit behind because of the boat ride. We just finished dinner and we are now on our way to a canal cruise.
Almost all of them have a clothes. They're closed down or out of business.
The boat tour is a good way to see the city, and it takes about an hour, but I would recommend doing it in the daytime because at night you can't really see too much.
And then, so Teslas have this really convenient function of auto parking. Not in Amsterdam, sweetie. So the Tesla did park the car into the canal, however. So they didn't recognize the canals, but then yeah, they fixed it, obviously. So yeah, also around 3 to 5 dead bodies are pulled out every year.
Was burned down 2 times.
Yeah.
And they
Not really. I mean, it would depend on the crowd.
Yeah. We're all done the boat tour. and now we're given free time to roam the city.
F-150, like super.
If every wheel isn't driving itself. Ladies? What? Too bad it's closed.
Oh, right away, you're.
Spice cake? Space cakes?
Should be like, hey yo!
What do you recommend? The acidity. Okay. CBD inside. But is that CBD exclusively? Or is cannabis inside? Okay. You pick.
We are trying to find some weed or edibles or even brownies.
Take us away. You're our leader.
Good morning. It is day 2 of the tour. We are in the Netherlands, Amsterdam. It is almost 7:30 a.m. and our first night was a little crazy. We went for dinner and then we went on the canal cruise, and already people started to drink. And then after that we ended up going to a place called, I have the stamp on my wrist. Oh no, I washed it off. I just showered. I think it was called Brussels. I'll have to Google it. And then after we went there, some people had a few shots. Some of us went to go find the red light district. And if you don't know the red light district, that is the legalized prostitution area where you have the females presenting themselves. And along the way we also picked up some brownies. So I had some brownies and it was really good. But anyways, we didn't get home, or I didn't get home, or back to the hotel till about 3:30 in the morning, somewhere around there. And then we had to, I woke up at 7 a.m. because we have to be at breakfast for 7:30, and then we have to get out of here around 8 a.m. something. And then after that we are going to go into Amsterdam and we're gonna have time to explore, so I'm really excited for that. So I'm just gonna go and finish getting ready. I need to do my makeup and repack my bag. Oh my god, look at this. It's a mess. But this is my outfit for today. I have a gray sweater that I'm gonna wear over, especially for the morning time where it's very cold. But today we are going to be heading to Frankfurt after the time explored in Amsterdam. So I'm very excited about that. This is my outfit. Also, the Netherlands, you have to pay to use the toilet. And they're saying that like they do that so that the toilet is clean. But it wasn't clean. We are walking around Amsterdam right now. It is the morning. Say hi! Hi! She's from South Africa. You guys are all from South Africa. I'm the only Canadian here. Hello! So nice. I like my sunglasses. Cute. Oh, there's like a, well, maybe later, but I do want to get like a, maybe a magnet.
Oh, so I'm gonna go because what if
Yeah?
you come back this
Okay. I'm gonna go do that. up at the Lookout in Amsterdam and we are going to do the swing. Oh my god, help me. We're gonna do the swing. Crazy how the houses are slanted. We're just exploring Amsterdam right now.
St. Paul's Church, once we get there, I'll sort of orientate you a little bit to see where everything is. But the trams stop, I've got train.
I'm not sure what I'm going to do on Saturday night yet. I might, I don't know. So I have to go straight from here and right. You guys are photos together? We can. Don't bring it. You gotta do it. Yeah. You gotta do it. Don't make the team. Well, hang on, that's right.
We just finished a German dinner. Now there's a car coming, right?
No, I'm not falling for that again.
Is it still open?
So dead.
I kind of like it.
I know, me too.
Like,
It's way
Amsterdam
different.
was so busy.
And same with London.
And London
London was insane.
50 million. I think in the Great London.
Oh. Come on, signal earlier.
Damn.
Fight for them. I'm like, you're gonna be early to plans. I'm so happy for you, one car ahead.
This is like a week into Manhattan birthdays. So I'm really driving. And so I've gone to go left, and as I've done that.
We are walking back to, I don't know where we're going. I think we're gonna take a tram back to the hotel because we missed the shuttle bus. This is my group that I've been chilling with tonight. Got my roomie. And got these guys. They're all from Australia, New Zealand. What do you say? Oh. Oh my god, stop!
Yeah, you smell it, yeah?
Stop. No, I don't need.
I know, I was gonna have it.
Probably like laced with all these different things in there.
Drink so.
Okay. What's the percentage? What's the percentage? Okay, no.
It's a bit whiny.
It's fucking Amy Winehouse.
That's your second drink.
Oh, that is a wine.
That's your second drink. Strong.
Have a sip.
I just did.
Have another. You can take a sip.
Chug it. He wants you to drink most of it.
Shit. Surely there's a bathroom in there.
Just a quick query. Do you know what we're asking for when we get on the tram?
What?
Come on.
Hold my beer.
Hold my beer.
Does it work exactly how I think it works?
That's the accelerator. It's fucking, it gets a bit of speed though.
You have 2 minutes.
Honestly, I think I might just meet, I think I'm gonna scooter back to the hotel.
Oh yeah,
I'll meet you
do
guys
it,
there.
do it.
Fuck it.
Here we go.
Oh, so slow. No. Nope. He's so slow.
Listen.
Ah, a little. Okay, he's going. We're gonna leave you on this tram. Yeah, oh my god.
I'm breathing.
Someone take the bottle and like fix yourself.
I am fixed. How's my flight? Ah, it's right.
You both of you are a mess right now.
We're here at the church.
It said it so loud.
Bro, the time is running on the street. Your left.
Is it
I
still
can't
going?
even end the trip. I don't know what to say. I couldn't end it, but I'm not gonna miss.
I thought you were gonna drive back to the hotel.
Yeah, I know. I thought about it, like, I'm not. Sound like, look, as much as I want to make a claim on my travel insurance, because the thing is, if you get travel insurance and you don't make a claim on it, it's just wasted money. It's like life insurance. Like, what a scam. Like, at some point, you need to like either die or have like a life-threatening illness so that someone gets paid out. It's like travel insurance.